Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cards with Cricut Joy Xtra. First, open Cricut Design Space on your device. Browse the extensive library for a card design that suits your occasion or create your own unique design. Remember to select a design compatible with the Cricut Joy Xtra's capabilities. Once you've chosen, confirm the card size, which is typically 4.25 inches by 5.5 inches for standard A2 cards, or 4.75 inches by 6.6 inches for larger cards. This ensures a perfect fit for your materials. Next, prepare your materials. The Cricut Joy Xtra uses a specialized card mat designed to hold your folded card securely. Carefully open your folded card and slide one side, typically the back panel, under the clear plastic divider on the mat. Ensure the front of the card is positioned on the adhesive area. Press down firmly to secure the card to the mat, making sure there are no wrinkles or bubbles. This precise placement is crucial for an accurate cut. With your card securely on the mat, it's time to send your design to the machine. Load the card mat into the Cricut Joy Xtra, aligning it with the guides. In Design Space, click Make It and follow the prompts to select your material settings, such as Insert Card Cardstock. The machine will then begin its precise work, cutting intricate details and scoring fold lines with remarkable accuracy. This process usually takes only a few minutes, depending on the design complexity. Finally, it's time to finish your beautiful custom card. Once the cutting is complete, carefully unload the mat from your Cricut Joy Xtra. Gently peel the card from the adhesive surface, taking care not to tear any delicate cuts. Remove any excess cardstock from the cutout areas. For insert cards, slide a contrasting color cardstock piece behind the cutout design to make it pop. You can also add embellishments like stickers or glitter for a personalized touch, completing your unique handmade card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.